The Irish Rebellion of 1798, also known as the United Irishmen Rebellion, was a significant event in Irish history that sought to overthrow British rule and establish an Irish Republic. The rebellion was led by a group of Irish nationalists known as the United Irishmen and lasted for several months, resulting in the deaths of thousands of people. Background: the rebellion was a result of several factors, including economic hardship, political dissatisfaction, and religious discrimination. In the late 18th century, Ireland was under British rule, with the British government imposing discriminatory policies against the Irish Catholic population. This led to a growing sense of discontent among the Irish people, with many seeking to establish an independent Irish state. The United Irishmen, a group founded in 1791, was at the forefront of the rebellion. The group was formed by a coalition of Protestants and Catholics who shared a desire for Irish independence and greater political representation. The rebellion began in May 1798, with a series of uprisings taking place across Ireland. The rebels, who were mostly peasants and urban workers, were armed with pikes and improvised weapons. They were initially successful in capturing several towns and cities, including Wexford and Enniscorthy. However, the rebellion was eventually suppressed by the British Army, which had superior firepower and training. The rebels suffered several defeats, and many were killed or captured. The British Army also carried out a campaign of repression, including the burning of homes and the execution of rebel leaders. Impact: the Irish Rebellion of 1798 had a significant impact on Irish history. While the rebellion was ultimately unsuccessful, it served as a catalyst for future Irish nationalist movements. It also led to the Act of Union in 1801, which abolished the Irish Parliament and merged Ireland with Great Britain. The rebellion also highlighted the ongoing issues of religious discrimination and economic hardship in Ireland. It demonstrated the need for greater political representation and paved the way for future struggles for Irish independence. Conclusion: the Irish Rebellion of 1798 was a significant event in Irish history that sought to establish an independent Irish state. While the rebellion was ultimately unsuccessful, it served as a catalyst for future Irish nationalist movements and highlighted ongoing issues of religious discrimination and economic hardship in Ireland. Today, the rebellion is remembered as a pivotal moment in the fight for Irish independence and as a symbol of Irish resilience and determination.